The Haaga 400 series push sweeper range for demanding professional sweeping tasks. Two different models with a working width of 77 and 97 centimeters and a waste container that holds 50 liters. The models of the Haaga 400 series come with professional line features. With the Haaga 400 machines, sweeping turns into a whole new experience. Light in weight and easy to handle, these professional line models are suitable for the regular sweeping of large areas of up to 2,000 square meters. The Haaga iSweep turbo sweeping system provides perfect cleaning results. The double sweeping performance is achieved with only a single pass. The disc brush system is additionally expanded with a fine dirt roller behind it. The Haaga iSweep disc brush technology absorbs the dirt already in front of the machine. Contrary to other sweeping devices, no interfering front wheel or rubber lip prevents the pickup of the dirt. Two special counter-rotating disc brushes lift up the dirt and push it directly into the waste container. In addition, a double sweeping performance is achieved by the fine dirt sweeping roller, which picks up finer sweeping material behind the disc brushes and transports it into the container. The iSweep disc brush technology of the Haaga 400 series with the specially developed driving clutch ensures high reliability. The dirt-protected transmission and the positive fitting design prevents the clutch from being damaged by external influences such as dust, dirt and moisture. In addition, the 477 and 497 push sweepers are equipped with two special foam filters. Inside the machine, the dusty air is cleaned by these filters. In conjunction with the surrounding sealing lips, this reduces the dust load on the operator. Sweeping at the highest level, whether wet or dry, paper, sand or even beverage cans. The trouble-free beltless drive and the light weight of the Haaga 400 series ensure a pleasantly user-friendly and fatigue-free operation. The stepless variable brush height adjustment ensures optimum cleaning performance on different surfaces and can be easily adjusted via the large rotary switch. Due to the protruding brushes and the adjustable brush lockdown clamp, which also pushes the brushes down, you can remove dirt from any corners. The lateral guide roller allows edge sweeping along edges or walls and protects both these surfaces as well as the machine from damage or scratches. The large waste container can easily be removed and emptied. The push handle can be adjusted to suit the user's body height. The ergonomically angled handle area can be mounted up or down without tools. Using the handle in the front of the machine makes lifting easy, or simply stow it in the vehicle with removed push handle. The handle can also be folded down and the machine placed upright for space-saving storage without the already swept dirt falling out. Perfect cleanliness even during storage. The Haaga 400 series, your perfect companion for large areas of approximately 1,000 to 2,000 square meters. Whether indoor or outdoor, thanks to excellent maneuverability and best sweeping performance, even difficult-to-reach corners can be cleaned efficiently and comfortably. The Haaga 400 series with turbo sweeping system, agile, easy to use and perfect cleaning results. Haaga, quality made in Germany.